welcome to day 9. The last day.
Roha mai te atua iaku I te au mea paku e kite nei Te anu kua iti mai ki roto I aku Haro mai te atua iaku
Hello everyone, and I'm going to quickly make some chicken noodles, coconut and a saucy. Church day. Hi guys. Happy Sabbath. I don't know. It's our last Sunday. I'm so sad. Sully. Okay, Sully. Sully, show us your outfit. Yes. Okay, Charity.
Guys, I'm sponsored by Tab.
Oh, beautiful. Do a turn. Do a turn. No. This is Sully and this is Emma and they're single. And I'm a Charity. Wow, our class is big.
You choose your one. 2 para each and one that one.
Oh,
So, you
thanks,
choose your one.
Mama. We're back. We just finished church. Yeah. We had nice Sunday school class. So we
Still cannot believe we attended class. Twice. Well, it's Slutty and YSA. That's crazy.
I'm so proud of them.
What's my first YSA class this year?
Actually, oh, we're not the last day.
It's August.
Not the last time. And we're getting ready for Kongai and we're just gonna go pick up our barbecue chicken that we did this morning and hope that it's cooked. If not, we'll just blame it on the barbecue. Look at Hale taking us in the back roads of the island because she's local now. This is so pretty. Wow.
It's a Cotswold. But the nice blood.
I'm not used to looking at
So you guys know Uncle used to be a chef.
you.
Oh, you are a chef. Sorry. You are a chef. Yum, yum, yum.
Hopefully we see you guys again. Yes, enjoy the rest of your time here and take our love from the family to your families back home and to all your friends. Tell them about the great time that you guys have here. Right. Without putting out, I can miss out.
Dad. The key to the car.
This is what we have for Sunday kaikai. We have Uncle Ben's, coleslaw, SB's minus corned beef, chicken, maniota, and barbecue chicken. Enjoying it, enjoying it. Minus, oh, minus with corned beef, eh?
What's in that green bottle?
Oh, what's that, Uncle? Uncle had a trick to open the bottle.
Did you see any horse on the island?
No.
Because no one eating.
Why is he looking at me? Squirrel.
So bad.
That's what Papa asked me the other day.
Oh,
He
really?
doesn't see any horse around. I said, yeah, because it's all eaten.
No. You're laughing a bit too loud.
Ask Papa. Ask Papa. Yeah. He can't see
Tasted
it.
horse?
I tried it.
Did you like it?
Kind of tasted like
Chicken.
No.
Beef.
Tough.
yeah.
Tough beef.
Islands and workers in village are so high. The performance. Yeah, but we'll see and wait on the Tuesday presentation. How we look at that as judges for the costumes, there's ABC. So that means if there's 5 teams, they're all wild costumes, we're going to put them into the A grade. But the islands, and even here, so very high standard.
They want to sing for you lullaby.
Yeah, Emma's ready. Sully wants to do a solo. I did not say that. Nah, I don't mind.
Oh, your son.
See? Okay, what song then?
Otherwise, take Papa and then for your humble palace.
Yeah. Thank
Hey,
you,
for us
man.
together here since day one. And the girls is going back tomorrow, back to Brisbane. So maybe the girls would love to say something. You don't have to.
Let's go on behalf of us.
Since I'm the oldest, I got picked on. I wanted to say thank you so much for having us on behalf of our sisters. This is definitely for most of us is our first time here in Cook Islands, and we love it so much. And you've all become our family. In Samoan culture, whenever we leave the house after eating, we like to share blessings as well. So we hope and pray that God may bless this household and bless the family, especially bless the grandparents, that you may receive strength and nourishment to your bodies. And also pray for many blessings upon your posterity, and also all those who are under this home, that you may all receive peace and happiness and many blessings from God. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If he wants to hide it, I want to see it now. That's a nice photo. Yeah.
No, that's my twin brother.
Give him as money.
We love to choke it down.
Perfecting the saints and mission work. We make the church. It's time moving on. And this is the last dispensation of time.
So you make sure,
more age.
Papa was saying last, make sure find somebody get married in the temple. Otherwise you ladies gonna be my servant.
Not time yet.
The time is fast.
There's no 8, there's no 9, there's no 10. Only 7. That's all.
So 7 days for Emma. Not me.
Surprisingly, come with your partners.
Mama, that's why they come over here. Look at Johnny Lingo.
Hips in Australia. They can't find over here just how many 1 weekend. Yeah, how can they will get Johnny Lingo around? They don't go up.
There's no more Johnny.
Just go with us.
You're gonna miss it. Maybe, and even family and for being with us. And also my James and the boys. And the man is an angel. It's pure. No bees.
Satan's inside. There's two at the back here.
Bye bye. And she's like, no. Thank you again for everything. Oh, no. I don't want to get you sick. So, JJ. No fighting. Cheeky.
Oh, these young
Bye, Papa. Thank you for your help and also with the family history. Bye, Nina. You take care, okay? We'll come back. We'll see you again. We'll see you again. Tofa soifua. Yeah, tofa. Bye, Mama. Love you.
We will see you again. Maybe not on this side, maybe on your side.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Come. Bye, buddy. Hey. Hug. Bye. Hi and bye. Hi and bye.
Much.
Yeah, they want to go listen. So it's Monday now. Guys, it's Monday now and we're getting ready to eat.
It's alright, it's Monday back at home.
Yeah, it's Monday back at home actually.
Did you get salsa already?
This one's salsa.
Oh, do you like it?
I like it. Sasalapa.
Sasalapa, yeah.
Sasalapa, guys.
Alright, Sasalapa's sweet, eh?
Yeah, sasalapa.
Nice, Sasalapa.
King of the stones there. Of each rock. Each community, each tribe. Yeah. Over here.
So this is where they started.
This is where they left this island, the 7 canoes, and left through this passage
To go to
to go
Aotearoa.
to New Zealand.
Wow.
And that's what's been written, but there's more than 7 canoes who
Wow.
left Rarotonga.
We just finished our photo shoot and so we have to cut it short. Yeah, this is where we shot our photo shoot. I played photographer today. I'm gonna miss this. I'm gonna miss being home, my second island home.
We've been here for ages, but like at the same time, I feel like it was a short trip.
Yeah.
I love this place.
I just wish we stayed till Wednesday
Yeah.
for the whole like tomorrow.
Yeah.
I just want to get like depressed when I go home.
I want to have the meanest withdrawal.
Because I
Yeah.
get really bad withdrawals.
Yeah.
Same here.
Don't worry, the vlogs will be out by then. You can
That
read.
won't make it anymore.
Tell us the story. What happened?
So at church, it was fasting testimony meeting, and then Uncle Ben got up and said that he came along with his 5 girls, and then he pointed to us 3, me, Charlie, and Emma, and then he said, "There's 2 over there." And then after sacrament, this old man, while we're trying to walk out of the chapel, pulls us aside and he was like, "Come, take a photo, all of these." And then we were like all confused, and then he was like, "Last time I saw you were this." And so we took the photo. Obviously, we were just, this guy thinks we're Tuaputas, and then and then me, Charity, and Celine walk out. And then the guy stays with Emma and then asks Emma, "Oh, how's your mom?" and then Emma just was like,
Oh, shout out to Auntie Muriel. Shout out to Auntie
Like, I didn't have the heart in me to be like, oh no, you got the wrong person.
"Oh no!" And the fact is that Lena wasn't even part of that.
The real daughter. The real daughter wasn't in that photo. Shout out to Tiana and Herbie. That's so funny. How small were we? This is the Cook Islands compass. What's that for?
For south.
Southeast Tonga.
Yep. South of Tonga. Moakas east. Tokelau north. Tokelau Iti north. And then west. West. What's west? West is Tuatonga and Tuatokelau. Is that what it is? I'm not sure. Yeah. Isa sae. Oh, wahahake. It's a seafood. So that's how I remember my sae. So this is the Cook Islands compass. There's another chapel. That's Avarua Chapel. Oh, you can't really see it. I guess we're gonna go to the Black Rock and have a sunset.
It's gonna come out.
Yeah. Good on everyone. We're gonna have a quick photo shoot while the sunset. Well, it's perfect timing. The lighting is good. I'll show you the view. How pretty. I think I'm gonna leave my shoes. We made it to the mountains of Rarotonga. And here, okay. Hey uncle, what's this place?
This is Black Rock. You know where Papa Nan is?
Yeah,
That mountain?
yeah.
Legend speaks of giants back in the days. They cut a bit of that mountain and took it to Meitaki.
Oh,
But all the pieces of the rocks fell here. It's just a myth and a legend.
oh yeah.
This is another place, they call it the Te Rerenga Wairua, where the spirit leaves Mother Earth. Particular princes left here to fly, to awake.
So
There
like,
are lots of myths and legends here, but
okay. Hi guys. Oh, look how pretty. Wow. Okay, I don't know. Guys. The last day. What's here everyone? We finished our photo shoot for location number 2 here at Black Rock. As you can see, that's where we had the baptism. Kokolipoki. Off the other side. Okay then. And we just finished getting blown away.
It's gonna fly off here.
We had a few photos taken just for our own memories that we've made here. Look how beautiful it is. It's a bit rough, but it's okay.
Spell your whole name.
Oh, uncle! Oh, if anyone comes to Rarotonga and you see this,
your family.
yeah.
Look, Lena, I took a long shot.
We are at the last night of the Maivanui, and it's Iminatuki night. Iminatuki is our traditional singing, and you'll hear it a lot in the hymns. Yeah, and they can be, it's like freshly composed again, and it could be about anything, but most of it has to still relate to worshipping. But Christianity is a big thing in my country. It's now our way of life, so it's its own category. It's part of the competition. It's so beautiful. Yeah. So they have it on Sunday. So during the week is all the actual performances, and then on Sunday, the way that we observe the Sabbath is by singing and buying food on Sunday. about that. Okay. Just kidding, guys. Do as I say, not as I do. But this is a different situation. We're here because, yeah, we're here. We're here because we're here. Anyway, see you soon.
Aro amai te atua ia